Hello and welcome back to Draw with Boba. Today we'll be drawing a s'more squishmallow. Start off with the shape of the s'more. Let's go with the two sides of our marshmallow. Right around here, let's go down to this point, across around the same area, and down. And this is going to be the two sides of our marshmallow. Now for a layer below, let's add in, I believe this is our first chocolate layer. Across. Really easy. And then our graham cracker layer right below. It's just going to be a rounded cracker. Both sides. And connect across. Now, before we add in the top layer, let's add in the little face. Let's go right around here and let's draw in a nice arc eye to indicate the smile. Let's add one more. And once you're done with this, let's add in some eyelashes. We got one right here. And another. Same on this side. So, little smile in between. I'll give you some time to get that. And once we're done with the face, let's go and add two big circles for the highlights on the cheeks, or the blush. And one. Same one over here. Looking good. And for the top of our s'more, let's cap it off right here, like so. But we do need some details for the cap. We're just going to add in, start with the squiggly line right here. This is going to be our melted chocolate. And then for this one, we're going to add a drip of chocolate going down and back up. Like so. And we're going to do two more drips on the side. Follow along. We're just going to go down, water drop shape, back up, down, back up. And this is going to be our chocolate. And all we need is the cap for our s'more. So let's go up, all the way around, and cap. And once you're done with all these steps, your s'more is done. All we need is color real quick. And there you have it. Thank you so much for watching. If you liked the video, please give it a like and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.